welcome to my channel for another spooktacular episode of Drawing with Inky. This is my assistant, Inky, and
hello. Wait, why is there a dog over there?
This is my other assistant, Wolfgang, who's going to be helping me just for today because we're going to draw a werewolf. You ready to get started, guys?
I think that means yes.
Then let's go. So, the first thing that you're going to draw in order to draw your werewolf is a line that looks like this. It's curly on two sides and then swoops down in the middle. Then there's a line that connects both sides like that. And then around that, there's a line that goes like this. Then you're going to do some very long triangles here and here, and a bunch of little ones here for the teeth. Then you're going to curve this up. I have two little spikes here, and then go here, and then do a triangle here, and the same thing on the other side.
He looks ferocious already.
Then you're going to do eyebrows like this, and then little lines that curve around to make eyes here. Then you're going to do a circle inside of the eye, and a circle inside of the other eye, and a diamond shape inside of both eyes. You fill in half of it and leave the other half white. Then you do a line here and here, a line here and here, a line here, a line here, and then you can start on the body. Do lines like that, and then make this fluffy part here.
The fluffier the better. That's what I always say.
You can always make it look even more fluffy. Then you're going to start drawing the shirt. Do a line here and here. For the arms, a line here and here for the bottom of the shirt. A line here and here, make these furry, and do the same thing on the other side. Then you can start on the pants. Do a long line here and here. Make the bottoms like this, with a line here too, and then make them go back up and come down, and do this part on the other side. Then you can start drawing these lines, and the tail, do a line here, make a long curved shape that's fluffy, make it so it goes back to the side of the leg. Last but not least, you can start drawing the hands and feet. You do 5 lines like that, 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 and that, and the same thing on the other side. And the same thing on the other side.
What's a werewolf's favorite day of the week?
What?
Moon Day.
Very funny, Inky.
Well, all the werewolves watching are howling.
Then you can start drawing the feet. Do a long line, then a curve that goes here, 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 and here. And the same thing on the other side. You're almost done with your werewolf. The last thing that you need to do is draw this line here and there, and those 2 lines there. You can also start decorating the pants and doing rips in the shirt.
You know what a werewolf says when you step on his feet?
What, Inky?
Ow!
Now your werewolf is finished. I'm going to color mine in time lapse. And that's all for this werewolf. I hope you had fun drawing it. If anybody has any suggestions for what I should draw next, please email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com. What was that?
Keep on drawing.